In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with large datasets or just want to quickly find specific information, mastering the search function in Google Sheets can save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's begin by opening your Google Sheets document. Perhaps you already have it handy, or you may need to navigate to it via your Google Drive. Once you're there, ensure that the document is fully loaded. It's important to remember that being in the right document is just as key as knowing how to search for your data. Once the document is open, our next step involves using a handy keyboard shortcut. If you're operating on a Windows or Chrome OS device, you'll want to press Ctrl and F at the same time. For Mac users, the command is slightly different. Use Command and F together. These keyboard shortcuts will bring up the search box, which is your gateway to finding information faster in your sheet. Now, direct your attention to the search box that has appeared at the top right corner of your Google Sheet. Here, you'll type in the word or phrase you're looking for. Make sure your spelling is correct, as even a small typo can prevent you from locating the data you need. This feature is incredibly useful for pinpointing specific terms among hundreds or thousands of entries. With your search term entered, you'll notice that the document highlights the first occurrence of your search term. Use the up and down arrows, which are now activated, to navigate through every instance of your search term throughout the document. This function allows you to move seamlessly from one occurrence to the next, ensuring you don't miss any relevant data. Once you have located all necessary information or completed your search, you might want to close this search box to have a clearer view of your data. You can do this by simply clicking the X button at the end of the search box, or, if you prefer shortcuts, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This action will make the search feature disappear, leaving you with a clutter-free interface. So there you have it. Quick and easy instructions for using the search function in Google Sheets. By incorporating this technique into your workflow, you can navigate your spreadsheets more efficiently and ensure that no piece of data goes unfound. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial enhances your Google Sheets experience.